Worried your antivirus is draining your laptop battery on Windows 11? Here is how to enable battery saver mode and keep your PC running longer without compromising protection. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you step by step how to enable battery saver mode in your antivirus on Windows 11 so that you can save power while staying secure. Let's dive in. Method 1. Enable or disable battery saver from quick settings. This is the fastest way to turn battery saver on or off directly from the taskbar. Click the battery, Wi-Fi or sound icon on the taskbar from the bottom right corner. In quick settings, find energy saver. Click battery saver to enable it. Once you do so, the icon turns highlighted. Click it again to disable battery saver mode. Method 2. Enable or disable battery saver from Windows settings. You can also enable or disable battery saver from Windows settings. This method gives more control over battery settings and is useful for managing automatic activation. Here is what to do. Open settings by pressing Windows+I. Click System and select Power and Battery. Under the battery section, find Energy Saver. Click on it. You can toggle on Always Use Energy Saver option. You can also expand the battery saver section. Enable Turn Battery Saver on automatically at choose the desired battery percentage. Close settings to apply changes. Method 3. Disable battery saver automatically while charging. Windows automatically disables battery saver when your device is plugged in. Connect your charger to the device. Battery saver mode will turn off automatically. No manual action is required. Battery saver mode is not available on desktop PCs. It is only available in laptops and tablets. Some features like background sync and visual effects may be limited when battery saver is enabled. If you want, I can also provide keyboard shortcuts, troubleshooting tips, or enterprise policy methods. And that's it. Your antivirus is now optimized to save battery without sacrificing protection. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tips. Have any battery saving tricks of your own? Share them in the comments so others can be benefited. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.